Hello students, welcome back to Physics by Imagination. So just we have less time, so I'm going to do that is third chapter in biology, that is our environment. Dear students, let us understand without wasting time our environment, the region which is surrounded by us, the region which is present surrounding us, that is called our environment, that is called environment. So here in environment we can find two kinds of components. So first one is biotic components, second one is abiotic components. So dear students, what are biotic components? So biotic components are nothing but, these components are nothing but living organisms. Abiotic components means non-living organisms. That is a major difference. Biotic means animals, plants, okay, birds, fungi, bacteria, all comes under biotic components. Abiotic means non-living things like air, water, sky, temperature, all the things will come. After understanding that, let us come to the important point, biodegradable substances and non-biodegradable substances. So bio means life, degradable means they go under decomposition process. The substances which go under decomposition and will not form any harmful product are called biodegradable substance, like wood, paper, okay, our body means after dying. So that all becomes biodegradable substances. Next, non-biodegradable substances. So they are not going under decomposition process. They do not decay. They remain for a long time, like plastic, DDT are the best example for non-biodegradable substances. After understanding this, come to the ecosystem. So what is ecosystem? Dear students, it's very simple. All living organisms, they are interacting. Okay, so all interacting living organisms in an area, okay, with non-living components, all interacting living organisms in an area with non-living components. Suppose we are staying here with non-living components, okay, that is called one kind of system. So all the interacting living organism in a specific area living with, that is with non-living components like shelter, houses and all. Living things are going to be with non-living things. So that system is called ecosystem. Okay. Next year, broadly we classify it into two types. How many types? Two types. That is aquatic ecosystem. What is an aquatic ecosystem? Which includes about water. Okay. So here artificial means what? The ecosystem which made by us, by man. Like you take, that is cropland, aquarium, that all comes under, that is aquatic ecosystem. Next come to the point, natural ecosystem, which occurs naturally ecosystem. So again we broadly classify into two types. One is, that is marine ecosystem, again freshwater ecosystem. So marine means which is closely related to sea and ocean. Freshwater means that is lake, pond, river, pool. So it is sweet water, yes, salt water we can find. Again in natural ecosystem we classify it into one more type, terrestrial ecosystem. The students, terrestrial ecosystem means what? Which based on earth. Okay, so on the earth we can find desert, forest, etc., etc. That all comes under terrestrial ecosystem. So after understanding that, come to the point, that is food web, or we can call food chain. What is food chain? The process of food depend upon one things to another things, one stage to another stage. That is called food chain. It go continuously. The students, all the living organisms broadly classified into, that is three categories. First one is producers, consumers, decomposers. Producers means what? The producers means very simple. That is, the plants are the producers. They can prepare their own food. Producers, they produce their own food on account of photosynthesis. That is called producers. And also, that is blue green algae also comes under producers. So come to the point, consumers. One who consumes the producers' things. Suppose we are having the food, we are completely dependent upon what? Producers. So we are consumers. Again students, under consumers we can find that is three types. That is herbivores, omnivores, omnivores, that is carnivore. So first we'll understand what is herbivores. The things, the animals which eats only grass, only plants, that is called herbivore. Cow, sheep, goat, etc., etc. That is carnivore, the animals which eats only flesh, like lion, tiger, cheetah, leopard, etc., etc. Omnivore, both they eat, that is both the herbivores and carnivores combinedly we can call that omnivore. We are, means animals like we, man, crow. Crow is a omnivore, remember. It comes under bird but is omnivore. It eats both, that is herbivore, it is a herbivore as well as carnivore. So after understanding this, come to the directly tropic level. So what is tropic level? The energy transformation will take place from one generation to another generation, one level to another level. That is producers to primary consumers to secondary consumers to tertiary consumers. This energy flowing is called tropic level. The flow of energy in the unidirectional way, that is called tropic level. Very, very important. We are going to discuss here 10% law. What is 10% law? So before that, here producers means that is a grass, and primary consumers means who consumes the producers, that is grasshopper. Again secondary consumers means who consumes the primary consumers, that is bird. Again tertiary consumers who consumes the, that is secondary consumers, that is called snake. So in a grasshopper is there. Grasshopper is eating the grass that is seen by bird. Bird has come and eaten the grasshopper. Again it is seen by snake. Snake has come and eaten the bird. And again it is seen by eagle. That is called what, students? That is apex. Highest one, this is apex one. Okay. Again we can tell that apex predate. Apex, and we can call this is highest peak point, apex one. So this is all about, this is primary consumers, secondary, tertiary, this is, and here the energy which goes on decrease. In the producers we can find the maximum amount of energy. In the tertiary consumers we are having less amount of energy. So that is snake. So this is called 10% law. Means the process in which energy transformation will be consumed 90% and 10% will pass to next level, and this process will take place continuously, and finally the least level will get the minimum amount of energy, that is called 10% law. This is about tropic level. Come to the point, environmental problems. So first one is ozone depletion, second one is disposal of garbage. Dear students, very easy to understand. Ozone depletion. So ozone depletion means what? Let us understand very soon. So ozone, it is a protecting layer, as you know that. Ozone is a protecting layer. So which comes in the stratosphere. And it has molecular formula O3. This is triaxide, oxygen trioxide. So when oxygen is going to react with diatomic molecules, which forms ozone layer. So dear students, it is all about thickness 25 km to 50 km thickness is there. So now here it is protecting us from environmental radiations, and also that is ice in the cataract. We are not getting any kinds of cancers, and also it is increasing the immunity of our power. Okay, so these are the advantages of ozone layer, which is filtrating very dangerous ultraviolet radiations should not enter the earth. That filtration process is done by an account of that is ozone layer. So but today what is going to happen? Due to some dangerous gases, chlorofluorocarbons, again inert chemicals like freon. So freon, it is used in fire extinguisher. Also we are using in a refrigerator. Also used in AC conditioners. They are going to, what happens here? These refrigerators, this freon is going to affect the ozone layer. So CFC means what, children? Chlorofluorocarbons. Do you know one thing, shocking news? One chlorine atom can spoil, that is 1 lakh ozone molecules. So such a dangerous of ozone depletion is caused by CFC, and because of chemical inert gases, that is freon, and air conditioners, refrigerants we should not use. So this is about ozone layer. Okay, so how can we prevent? We should avoid to use free from CBSE, free from freon inert gases. And also in 1986 they had made a Kyoto protocol, that is called UNEP. They may ask you observation, that is Union Nation Environmental Protecting Act. So Kyoto protocol to save the environment. Okay, this is all about ozone depletion. First it was observed in Antarctica. So and that hole formed in the ozone layer, that is called ozone hole. Okay, this is all about ozone depletion. And after corona effect, you might be seen that the ozone layer, it has closed, it seems, a bit due to reducing in the pollution in the environment. So suppose we will do like this, definitely we can save our ozone layer without any harm effects. So after that, come to the point, last but not least, disposal of garbage. This is very critical problem, dear children, especially in urban. So due to development of industries and demanding of consumers goods, what happens? The garbage amount, it goes on increased, and it has completely increased. We don't know where to put. We don't know where should we put, and how should we protect that garbages. Because you see in city, especially urban, everywhere we can see the garbages things. How can we dispose? How can we avoid these problems? We have some methods. The first one is, so disposal of garbage, it has become major issue. So by using some tricks, some methods, we can avoid this disposal of garbage or garbage disposal. The first one is that, so what is first one? So that is very simple, recycle. What is first one? Recycle. We will take all the waste things, and we'll take especially solid things, and we'll go under a chemical process. We'll complete transfer, that is complex molecule into simple molecules, and will be used in new form, that is called recycle. That is called recycle. Reuse. So without changing any that, by using some techniques. Example, so you take papers. We are using again and again, just by using technology, but not in new form. Just new way we are using. That is, papers can be used as envelope covers. That is called reuse. Here new substance is going to be created. Here we are using the same substance again and again. That is called reuse. So next again, that is landfillings. So what is landfillings? So we are going to take some lower part of the areas. We are going to put all garbages inside and we cover with that bulldozers and all. It is landfillings, means that corner of the city you might be seen that they're going to put all the garbages and they go under chemical decomposition, that is landfillings. And you know that dustbins will come area wise, that causes pollution, children. Okay, that is what you can call, that is open garbage disposal. We'll keep dustbins in each and every area, so that is going to cause pollution. Okay, so next by using fourth way, composite. So we will take all the waste things, we'll bury the earth, we'll put all the waste things inside and we'll mix with soil. So after a few months this is going to become organic manure. So in this way we can avoid the disposal of garbage or a problem from garbage disposal. This is all about our environment. The students, from this we can expect easily 2 MCQs. If you understand, please share it and thank you.